Hello, my sewing friends. Do you ever have enough? Seriously, do you ever have enough patterns? I think not. I think styles change. I think basic lines, for the most part, stay the same. But do you think that I see a new pattern and think, oh, I could use an old pattern to do that? Heck no, not when I can spend $1.99 on the new one. So I've had a kind of process going on, some things that I've been thinking about lately. One of them is I have so many new things in my closet that I can hardly keep up with wearing all of them all the time. This is, I forget what pattern this is, but I will put it in the description box. It's the one with the kangaroo pocket that I had all that trouble with. Anyway, can't wear everything I have. So, you know, I need to slow down. I don't know that I need to call a halt, but I certainly need to slow down with what I've been sewing for moi. And I started thinking, I have no shortage of people to sew for. What am I thinking? Oh my gosh, like, they love it when I make stuff for them. Except for one, she's kind of picky.
No.
But that said, I was watching other YouTubers, and you know, I talk about other YouTubers that I watch all the time. As a matter of fact, I was at Hobby Lobby yesterday, which is where I got these patterns, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. There was a lady sitting, flipping through one of the McCall's catalogs. Somehow we struck up a conversation. So I'm chatting away to her, and she says, do you watch the YouTubes? I said, oh my gosh, yes. Who do you watch? And she starts rattling off all these people that she watches. And they were all people that I watch. And it's funny who you run into and how much you have in common with them in terms of YouTube. Well, the same thing about the people that I watch. I often mention them because I watch them, and if you don't, then you should, because they're fabulous. Anyway, all that said, to tell you that Joy Bernhardt was doing her sewcation thing with her friend Philly, and she said, oh, we headed over to Hobby Lobby because the patterns are on sale for $1.99. Okay, I had purposely been not looking up every Sunday to see if patterns were on sale at Hobby Lobby, because Hobby Lobby is like 5 minutes down the street from me. Well, when she said that, I thought, well, now I have to go buy patterns, because, or at least look up and see what new patterns are that I wanted. Yeah, so I went and bought patterns. You know, it's inevitable, isn't it? It's inevitable. So I'll show you what those are. Wait, I got to tell you this first. Okay, I bought patterns the day that Joy said that on her video. Went over, bought the patterns. And I got home and I started looking them up on Pattern Review, which I should have done ahead of time, but I didn't. And one of the dresses that I absolutely loved had such bad reviews about the way it was constructed and all kinds of things. And I thought, maybe I should not do this pattern. Well, I had gotten 2 copies of it because I liked it for one of my daughters and for me too, bugs. And yeah, I thought, I don't think I want to mess with that. So anyway, I went back and I exchanged those 2 for at least one that I knew I needed another copy of. And of course, then I walked out with, I don't know, 6 more patterns. I also saw Viv Mom do a pattern video, and she had one from her trip to Hobby Lobby, and I really liked it. And I'd seen it before, but not known whether or not I wanted to get it, but I got that one. First of all, I have to show you I got more fabric from Walmart. And I know this is a beautiful teal, and it is what I think is an ITY knit that always come across as so sheer. I think it's because I have so much light out here on the lanai. 2 yards for $2, and it's an ITY knit, I'm fairly certain. And you know those girls that I can sew for? At least 2 of them would look fantastic in this. So I got this, and then I had to go back over to Walmart yesterday, and I saw that they had another one. So they're each 2 yards, and so my thinking is, probably I could get a top for either of them or both out of just a yard of fabric, but in case I can't, now I have 4 yards of it. Okay, I'm going to start in with these patterns. Okay, first up, I have McCall's 7996. This is adorable. It's a little jeans jacket kind of a dress, a little denim dress, and I think it is adorable. I love the jeans, the denim thing going on, and especially with that jeans jacket influence, which is all the rage now. I would not do this in the long sleeves because I can't wear it here. I would shorten those sleeves to at least short sleeves, if not sleeveless. And I love the hemline. Here are the line drawings, but you can see where this hemline is kind of rounded, and I just think that's adorable. You can also do more of an A-line skirt, more of a flared skirt with a regular hemline, but oh my gosh, aren't those just so cute? They've done it out of a plaid, or they've shown it in a plaid here, and plaid is also all the rage on the runway. I got 2 copies because I think Michaela would look so cute in this. So yeah, 2 copies of that one. Adorable. McCall's 7900 is a top that I got for Mia, and she likes this one, but she is very anti-ruffle. No ruffles, no ruffles, no ruffles for this girl. But she did like the way that the neckline is, and also the button up the front. And so here are the line drawings. And I have to tell you, I was laughing at the way that they show this one. It looks like Marianne from Gilligan's Island to me. Now, if you're old enough to remember Gilligan's Island, or if you are into like retro oldies TV shows, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. I think hers was red, but oh my gosh, who wants to look like Marianne and her pigtails from Gilligan's Island? I don't know, maybe that's a hot look these days, but the one thing I do like about this one is those ruffles at the bottom. I think those are so cute. So yeah, that will be probably for Mia and possibly for anybody else that wants it. McCall's 7812 is a dress with shirring in the front with a drawstring, and I saw this and immediately thought McKenna. McKenna would look fantastic in this. So you have the dress and then also the tops. Here are the line drawings. I just love the way that's done. So cute. So that I got for her. Haven't asked her if she likes it yet. But you know, the thing about her is that she and her husband are in Anchorage, and in December they're moving to Florida. Yes. They're going to be about 2.5 hours from me, and I am over the moon because I am slowly working to get them all to come to Florida. But you know, I talked to her recently and I said, hey, you know what? You need a whole new wardrobe because you're moving to where it's summer all the time. You have a mom that sews. So I'm looking forward to sewing for her. McCall's 7740. When you see this in the catalog, they've done another shot of it, and man, it looks so expensive, so beautiful. And I thought, if you did this in like a peach skin, it would look gorgeous. No matter what color you did it in, you could do a little black dress, you could just do a regular, you know, any color really, and it would look amazing. So it has a lot of back variations, and I thought this would be so pretty on Jenna or Mia because they are very tall, very thin, very lithe, and oh my gosh, I know Jenna would love this. Here are the back variations. You can do a button, you can do a tie, you can cut the back out altogether, you can do ties all up the back. The great thing about this pattern is that you can, you know, make it really elegant and beautiful, or you can just make it cute in terms of a sundress. You can do the dolman sleeve or none at all. So yeah, you know what? You could even lengthen this to a maxi, and boy, would that not be a stunner? So yeah, that is for them. Another one for McKenna, and the reason I picked this one up, this is McCall's 7889. It's because she asked me for a dress about 2 Christmases ago, and I made it in a fabric that's very much the color of that knit. And it was a lot like this. It had a V-neck, and it had these pleats, but it zipped up the front with an invisible zipper, and it was so cute. And I kind of tried to copy it. I did. It was too big, and so it's still sitting in there as a UFO waiting for me to finish, which I probably will do actually, since she's moving. And it's I think it's like a cap sleeve. All of that to say, this is very similar to that, except that it doesn't have the V-neck. It does have buttons up the front, but that would be easy to just close up that front seam and then put an invisible zipper in, which I would never think to do, but boy, was it cute. So I love the border on this. I love the little tie. The pleats at the waistline are just so flattering, especially for a body type like her. She's short-waisted like I am. Here are the line drawings. So cute. The top is cute, the dress is cute. Cute is the order of the day for this one. Yeah. McCall 7093 is for me. It is a little woven t-shirt, and you know what? You had me at pockets. Who puts pockets in a t-shirt? These people do. It is adorable. I love this chiffon-ish, you know, I think it's chiffon sleeve. I love the sheer of it. I love the color blocking. I was thinking maybe I could do this in a pink because I have all this bridal fabric and not very much. I have just little like pieces, like 1 yard pieces. Pink would look really cute, especially if you did it in all flavors of pink, you know, different shades of pink. So here are the line drawings. This would be cute in a knit too, even though it does call for wovens. But I love that. Like I say, you had me at pockets. McCall 7092 is a very cute dress. I really like the maxi, but now this one I looked up on Pattern Review, and people said even if you can make it right out of the envelope, you really need to lengthen this empire waist because it's just really high. Well, I do that anyway. So if I were gonna make it, I would obviously make this one, but I really do like the dress, and also this is just really cute. The thing actually that grabbed me about this is that it has a double V. Like it has the V and then it has a little inset right there. And I like how that pulls it up. It's probably easier to see on the line drawings here. Yeah, I really like that. I think that's just, it's very flattering also with the pleats at the bust line, because sometimes when you can have a gathered kind of situation going there, going up into the bust line, it can make whoever's wearing it look really top heavy. So if you are small busted, it's good, but if you're a little fuller busted, yeah, you probably don't want that. But the pleats give you kind of that ease without all that attention, I guess. I don't know. That's my opinion, but yeah. Cute top. Okay, this is the one that Viv Mom picked up, and I looked at it and I thought, that looks like I would love it because it's very floaty and pretty. It's McCall 7948. I really did have my eye on it back when it first came out, but I thought that would be tricky because you never know with a gathered thing like this, especially with tiers, if it's gonna look like a big tent. But I love a very floaty dress, and to be honest, I really like the eyelet. I think it's just adorable. I like it with the sleeves. I like it without sleeves. I just think this would be perfect for this weather, and especially as winter comes more along, it would be really cute if you color blocked it out, but not just color blocked it, but did it with coordinating prints. I think that would be so cute, and it would really kind of mix this up enough to where it'd be really cute. So yeah, that's for me, and whoever else sees it that wants it. Here are the line drawings. They do one of the skirts in a pleat. Yeah, so cute. I like this sleeve too. I like that little ruffle at the end. So yeah. McCall 7906 is a skirt pattern that I've had my eye on for a while. Brittany J. Jones made this. Looks so fantastic on her. I will try and link the video where she has it, where she wears it, but oh my goodness. I love the length, I love the pleats, just so pretty. Easy make. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, got that kind of paper bag-ish high waist with the fabric belt thing going on that's so popular with pants these days. Another Laura Ashley. You know, I don't know if I could pull this off, but definitely one of the girls can. Probably Jenna. Jenna would look fantastic in this. So, yeah, just a little tie waist dress, elastic waist, little ruffle on the bottom. Just so adorable. And Laura Ashley. Do I need to say more? Nope, don't need to say more. This has just the short sleeve and the 3/4 length sleeve option, but you could probably, I mean, you can take the sleeves off of anything and make it sleeveless. So if she liked it sleeveless, I could do that. Last one. You know, I do have a man that I can't sew for, even though I never do, because he's always coming home from Goodwill with yet another Hawaiian shirt. So I picked up a shirt pattern for him. And this is just your basic button up the front shirt. And I thought, you know, I could always make him something. That's for him. That is McCall's 2149. That is my pattern haul. You know, I would like to say that that's going to be it for a while, but to be honest, Simplicity, Butterick are going to go on sale. Maybe Quick Sew, maybe New Look. Yeah, I will. I'm sure I will be buying new patterns. Hopefully I can at least make up most of them. And by the way, the topper challenge, the Joy Viv topper challenge is going to end on the 15th, and yay, I finished my topper. But I'm also making a pair of pants to go with it, and so same pattern. So that'll be coming up in my September makes. So anyway, that's it for now for me. That's quite enough, isn't it? And so I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.